come along to check on me to make sure that I'm doing my job. What we've done is we've replaced latterly we've replaced this rear step. You can just stick your camera up underneath here to see that.
Oh, very nice.
It's been replaced under there, and this has all got to come off again because the boards have got to be screwed down.
Yep.
I've had the truck apart about half a dozen times. I think he put it back together again, and it comes back apart again. But we're just about for the final refit of that. The cabinets that fit under the side of the truck here, you can see are over there. One of them's already underway with getting some replacement steel put in it.
Okay, bit of work there, eh?
There's a bit of work to do there. So we're cleaning up what we need to clean up and replace what we need to replace. When the hose reel's away, in fact it's sitting on the back of the K at the moment, but it's got to be replaced. And you were talking about painting when we painted the chassis black. The question for you is what colour are the front springs? And the answer to that question is one of them's black and one of them's red.
A question. You're asking me a question.
A question, yeah.
Well,
so there you go. And the other one's red. If you look at the other one, it's red. Or overspray red. Nothing's quite as you imagine.
Nothing's quite as it seems.
No, but if you come around this side, because we're spending so much time on the rest of it, little things like this are showing up now. Those cracks, this has got to come apart so I can weld that, and then it's going to have to be repainted, you know. So there's always, it wasn't part of the original job, but we've got to do it. Oh, front tyres too. I've got to order some of those because they were only a truck.
Okay, but other than that's coming along right. The colour looks okay, the match.
Yeah, the match is not too bad. So they've got to be replaced, but I'm going to rebuild them slightly differently from the way they were. That's probably the better one of the two. The other one's around here. But like I say, I'm going to rebuild them slightly differently from the way they built first time. In fact, the right hand side of the truck is totally different from the left hand side.
That's because it was a left hand drive.
Exactly. No, because one side's been repaired and the other side hasn't. I would suggest that this side had been repaired. That was original. We had to make if you stick your camera in through there, we had to get that old bracket out there, and which was attached to wood, and it was a bit of a mission. So,
okay.
But it's all interesting stuff. The locker doors have still got to be done yet. Paint the insides of the lockers and do those bottom cabinets. As of today, we've got a month.
Yep, so it's the 30th today,
it's the
30th of September.
So yeah, so we have a month.
Month to get it done, we'll see how it goes.